There are several theoretical physicists who believe that once humans achieve the status of a Type 1 civilization, evolving to Type 2 and colonizing other planets will happen quickly and will be akin to our leap from ape to human. If so, could Bob Lazar's accounts of reverse-engineered alien spacecraft signal a revolutionary turning point in human evolution? Perhaps further clues can be found by examining a recent scientific breakthrough. Dubna, Russia, August 10th, 2003. Russian and U.S. nuclear physicists at the Joint Institute for Nuclear Research shoot a beam of calcium atoms at a target of element 95, americium, inside a particle accelerator. The collision results in the creation of the heaviest atom ever observed, element 115. Because element 115 is highly unstable, it exists in stable form for only a fraction of a second before disintegrating into radioactive fragments. But could this be the very same element that Bob Lazar said was the fuel source for an extraterrestrial craft? Some physicists believe that if they can produce a stable form of this newly synthesized element, it has the potential to facilitate the greatest technological leap in human history.
Most of these elements beyond uranium only exist for a fraction of a second. They're there, and then they're gone again. But we physicists think that we can make use of it to create nuclear energy on a much more efficient scale than plutonium. And that variations of it could be stable and might eventually provide fuel for a starship.
This technology can absolutely instantaneously alter our world beyond our wildest imagination, and it could do so rapidly that it would be a shock to the human consciousness. So the idea is to study these technologies and try to get parts of it that will benefit humanity.
Mainstream scientists believe stabilizing enough moscovium to power an intergalactic spacecraft is still decades away. But the question remains, could this element 115 be the same element 115 that Bob Lazar claims was recovered by the U.S. military?